Welcome to Bright Beginnings at Home, where little minds shine and big adventures start. I am so happy to see you. Today the letter F is the letter of the day spotlight. F is for fish. Fish breathe underwater using gills and come in all sorts of bright colors. Some even glow in the dark. F is for frog. Frogs can jump many times their own body length and croak to communicate with one another. F is for flower. Flowers come in many shapes and colors and are loved by bees, who use them to make honey. F is for fruit. Fruits like apples, bananas, and strawberries are not only yummy but also packed with vitamins to keep us strong and healthy. F is for fire truck. Fire trucks are bright red, loud, and help firefighters save people by quickly putting out fires. What is your favorite F word? Let's trace the letter F. The letter F has a long vertical line with two horizontal lines coming off the top and middle. First, place your finger on the number 1 at the top and move your finger down the dotted line. Next, place your finger on the number 2 at the top and move your finger across the dotted line. Finally, place your finger on the number 3 at the top and move your finger across the dotted line. You did it! You can pause the video and practice again and again. Soon you will be able to write the letter F using paper and pencil. Parents, here are the instructions to teach your child how to write the letter F with pencil and paper. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you next time.